Here's a video for some of you that may have a blue screen problem with your editing. Let's say you've been editing a clip for some time and your laptop or notebook starts to overheat and your pretty much whole system shuts down. It will give you a blue screen and then it will boot back to normal and let you do what you was doing before. So pretty much this problem occurred because I have a gaming notebook. And because it was using the CPU acceleration of video processing, which basically means extra support from the 1050. And since it's a laptop, all the heat inside got to other components and it pretty much shuts down and blue screens. So to fix this, it's really quick, really easy. All you got to do is go into options, go down to preferences, and in here you want to go to video. And in here, you pretty much want to go over where it says CPU acceleration of video processing. If you're someone like me, like I mentioned before, on a laptop, you will most likely have an integrated graphics card. So what you want to do is just turn it off for editing. And if you wanted to, you could turn it on for rendering. And this is what I've done. And it does help out a lot. You will notice the difference. Your editing will be much quicker and it will just be a lot easier. So you turn it off. You will then be able to edit your videos without it overheating. And once you are ready to render it, all you got to do, go back into preferences and just turn it back on. You don't have to. It would help out a lot though. It does boost up the render time. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a quick little fix that I found out myself.